Food, any kind of food, rice or vegetables, Sudanese or Congolese, it doesn't matter. Having access to clean and efficient ways of cooking should be strongly strived for, but it is not, especially not here.
Welcome to Kakuma.
But things can change, and that's exactly why our pilot project is here. Majority of 258,000 people living in and around Kakuma, especially the host and the refugees, still use either three-stone fire, open fire, charcoal or firewood cook stoves. And you can see the smoke rising up when they are cooking. But with several households having electricity access from a solar mini-grid system, we saw an opportunity. That was the boost we needed to start our pilot project. Introduce the electric pressure cookers to refugees and host community households and businesses is an alternative to biomass cooking. After all, if this can be done in a refugee camp, it can be done in many more places.
Welcome to our cooking demo. We are here to explain to you the importance of using the electric pressure cookers and how to use them safely.
Mostly we do train the sales agent. It is important to share knowledge in a way that people can replicate. Creating local capacity is key. There was some hesitation at the beginning. For some women, it was challenging to adapt, but everyone agreed on the final result.
Siku ya kwanza aliponiambia, nilifikiri kama nikunipotezea tu time.
Nikafurahia, nikasema nataka nione hizo jiko ni jiko gani.
I felt extremely good because I will be getting a new experience on how to use the electric pressure cooker, and also it has so many advantages.
Inatusaidia sana kupika kwanza haraka.
Ukiwa unapika ukiwa ndani haitoi moshi.
So it's less polluting, it does not pollute the environment like the other jikos, and also it uses less water. The food that is cooked by it, it's very tasty and it has a very nice aroma.
We want to show people that these systems work. It will push more people to adopt EPCs, meaning more people have access to clean cooking methods. If we embrace the modern cooking sources, we will then build a very healthy planet for all of us.